Introducing the 2018 Honda Odyssey. This 8-passenger van is waiting for you to take home. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Honda are offered, including an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a blind spot monitoring system, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, lane departure warning, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 11 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call